Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trader Vader. This is Amar. So the market has opened up some time back. It's almost 50 minutes, and so this is the options chart, guys. I'm looking at the 17,600 options. Why I'm looking at call option here is because I'm planning to buy. Uh, I'm planning to go long on Nifty. The market gapped up a little bit, and it's kind of filling in the gap. Either it's going to fill in the entire gap, or it's going to just turn around and move upside. So these are the levels, guys. For, I would say, intraday trade on a 1 minute time frame, I would focus on these levels. This is one support here, small support, and if I draw it, so let me just take the brush. So this is a small support, guys. So it has taken support. It has already taken support, but it didn't form any setup there to actually go long. This down here is another major support. I mean, earlier it has taken the support twice, thrice. So I'll expect some bounce here. I won't expect the market to just keep going down and without giving any bounce at this area. So I'm just looking at the price action right now. On the spot chart, it's very difficult to figure out what's going to happen. But what I'm planning to do here is, if the market retraces a little bit more. So let me just show you. The market is looking really sideways today. If we look at the 5 minutes chart, as you can see, guys, it's stuck in a very narrow zone, I would say. If you just draw a box from here, as you can see, the price action can be contained in this rectangle. So right from the morning, about 9:30, it's trading in the same range, and it's coming down to 17,645. It's going up around 17,690. Then it's coming down again, going up, coming down. It tried again, and then right now, so basically it's trapped in a price range, guys. I was thinking of entering a long position. As you can see, this particular trend line. So I was thinking that if the price breaks this trend line, and then from somewhere from here it comes down, makes the price action, and then again tries to go up, from this zone, if it would have tried to go up and form some sort of downward steps like price action, and then it would break up and try to go up, then I would have entered. But that didn't really happen. It kept on falling, and that really invalidated the entry of this particular trend line. So all in all, I'm not in any trade as of now. I have not taken any trade. All right, guys, so I was banking on the sideways movement today. Either I could have waited for the market to break the zone that we were discussing earlier, this particular range. Either we could wait for the market to break this range on either side. Let's say if it broke on the upside, then if it breaks like this, and then if there is a retracement like this, and if it breaks that trend line, that is when we can enter. Or if it breaks downwards, either you can enter while it's breaking, or you can wait for it to retrace a little bit, and then when it breaks on the downside, some sort of trend line, then you can enter on the put side. So I could have done that, but when I saw this particular candle, guys, this particular candle, I thought, okay, this probably is going to go one more time on the upside, and that is where I entered the trade. And this is the trade I entered, guys. I entered at this candle around 177. I entered with a risk of 6 rupees or 7 rupees, and then I exited around. So I knew that if I kept a target of 194, it's probably not going to hit, because there will be sellers who will start selling as soon as it hits the VWAP area. As soon as it comes this area, it's going to start receiving some sort of selling, and that's why I kept a very tight risk reward of 1:2. As you can see, a target of 13-14 points. And as soon as it hit 190, I saw that there was some sort of rejection, and then I placed the order of 190 sell, and I exited it. And right after I exited it, it came crashing down, and now it looks like it's going to break the support, this mini support as well. There's of course the call option chart. This is the spot chart. If it breaks, guys, again we have support very nearby. Here is the support, and then here is the support. And mind you guys, I'm talking about 1 minute chart here. So it's going to take some sort of support at each of these points, and we never know from where it's going to bounce back and retrace. So anybody who wants to sell, you can see how difficult it is to sell here because you don't have a stop loss. What is a stop loss you're going to put above this candle? I mean, unless there is a couple of green candles, or I would say a positive candles, it becomes very difficult to put a stop loss. And after 5 or 6 red candles, of course you are going to expect a green candle. So if you enter here and if there is a huge green candle, your stop loss gets hit. So it's very, very difficult to enter this kind of breakdown, guys, this kind of breakdown, because you don't know, when the retracement will come, when the volatility will suddenly increase. So I mean, for me, I couldn't have taken this trade even if I waited. I couldn't have taken this trade because if we are trying to take a trade after the breakdown of these levels, then it has to be with some sort of this sort of price action where the price bounced a little bit, didn't go up, didn't go down, and then if it is breaking, you will have a decent stop loss. But that didn't really happen, so I couldn't have taken this trade as well. But let's see if I get any good put trades, I'll take it. Otherwise, I'll not. I'm probably done for the day. Today is Friday, so the volatility is going to crash a little bit if the market doesn't start falling heavily. So I don't want to be on the wrong side of the volatility crash, especially for an options buyer. It's very difficult if you buy options and the volatility starts to crash. You're going to lose a lot of money even if the market goes nowhere. So I'll watch the market, guys. If I get any good trades, I'll post it. If not, then I'll share the call option trades with you. Stay tuned. Watch my trades. Thank you.